Can we do pipe sizing? You can think about gas pipe sizing. It works at slightly like the ducting we said, where it works on resistance. The more bends we put in, the more distance we travel, the more resistance we cause. The only way we can deal with that is increase the volume. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 0.095 meters cube, and that is compatible with what we call natural gas. Natural gas is what comes through the pipes at your house. LPG, liquid petroleum gas, is what's in tanks when a customer's in a remote location, could be on LPG, liquid petroleum. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 0.039 per hour. So that's LPG. Just a few pointers for these two gases here. 21 millibar is what that pressure is of that gas. 37 millibar is that gas, yeah? This is a commercial gas hose. It's got a steel outer braiding on it. They all work really good, so it doesn't really matter whether you go for braided or unbraided. The braided refers to the bit on the end. It gets kind of double welded on the end. They all come with a lifetime guarantee anyway. Two common sizes that we have, 3/4 inch BSP, 1/2 inch BSP, are the thicknesses of the two hoses. It has a restraining chain on it, and it's shorter than the gas hose. The idea is it yanks on the chain before it pulls the pipe off the wall. We do not supply cookers with gas hoses attached to them. We don't want a customer connected it themselves.